Welcome back to this training. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to use the Microsoft Word to create a cover page for our report, for our document. Creating a cover page can be a bit tasky because it involves design. But the Microsoft Word has given us opportunity to be able to just insert a cover page of our choice, especially the one that match our report standard. So join me in the class as we look at this together. Okay, welcome to Microsoft Word class. Now, in this particular session, we're just going to look at how to create a cover page. So you have a report and you want to create a cover page for the report so that you will not have to go through the stress of designing. So all you just need to do is go to the ribbon. At the top, you go to insert. You can see the ribbon home, insert, draw. So you select insert, and you to the left side, you will see cover page. So all you just need to do, so you see the cover page, it says your document will make a great first impression with a stylish cover page. So make it your own by tweaking the fonts and the color options on the design tab. So all you just need to do is pick the one you want. Okay. So you can see a lot of cover page option. So you can choose this. So maybe this is what you want. So this is fantastic. This looks beautiful. So you have a document title. You can so maybe you're trying to create a report of the finance department. Presented by the team lead. So you can have your date. You can insert your date. Okay. So you can have your company name. And probably your name, and whatever you don't want, you can delete. And you can bring in your logo. You can go to insert, go to the pictures from device. If you know where your logo is in your system, then you can find your logo. And let me see if I can remember where my logo is. Okay. So let's say I want to get a logo. Insert. So I'm trying to get a logo from my system. Probably get my company logo. Okay, so well, that's another. So I can just put a logo. Then put a logo and make the logo to be in the front of text. So if I like, I can position the logo there. So that's creating a page, cover page. So you can see that all this design has been done for you. So you don't have to begin to do all the design yourself. So you just adopt whatever you have there, and you can always use this design tab to format and put whatever you want to put there, So maybe you want to have a page background color added to the page. maybe, So it depends on what you want to do. So you have quite a lot of options to design your report. And if you want to remove the cover page, you go back to the same place and you say remove current cover page, and off it goes. So I can take off my page color and say no color, and there I go. So if I want it back, I can undo and bring it back. Okay, so that's how to create a cover page for your document, for your reports, or whatever it is that you're trying to do in MS Word. So see you some other time. Bye for now.